Hello YouTube, back again with another Harbor Freight video. Yes, they are finally here. The blue, the black toolboxes, they're here finally after all the years we've been waiting for. All right, let's go take a look at the pictures. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon. Alright, looking at the first box here, or the first picture, we got the US General blue 44-inch by 22 double bank roller cabinet. It seems like it's a upgraded version. It's the new Series 2 roller cabinets. It's just the upgraded version of the Series 1, so it's not, you know. And from the looks here, we got the 44-inch double bank top chest, the blue top chest for the 44-inch cart. Yeah, then again, it's just like another color for the Series 2. It's a real nice color. It's been a while since we had a change in the toolboxes, you know. And then on this picture we got a 14.5 end cabinet, and that's the blue version again. It's 4,500 cubic inches of storage, 320 pounds of capacity weight. That's a nice. It's gonna make a nice setup once you get all the boxes. Oh, we got the 56-inch by 22 double bank roller cabinets. This one comes in black. It's a real nice color. It looks awesome. 21,500 cubic inches of storage, 4,400 pounds of weight capacity, 22 inches in depth. So it's a good entry level box. It's not your your 30-incher or your 28-incher, but it'll do the job for a homeowner. 44-inch double bank top chest. That's the black version of the 44-inch, the top part. It's 11,700 cubic inches of storage. So all these boxes, oh, here's the 14-inch and a half end cabinets in black. So yeah, these are gonna be some awesome colors. You know, it's about time we got an upgrade from Harbor Freight. And so far these are the only ones that are confirmed. I'm pretty sure we're getting the 72-inch. It's just a matter of time. You know, these are probably the first ones that we're gonna get. As you see in the picture, these are the babies just came off the truck. So according to this picture, they just they just got off the truck and they posted the pictures. And yeah, pretty happy for us, for you, for us, whoever wants to buy these. It's a good box for the price. Especially if you're a homeowner, if you're a DIY, or those are great toolboxes. All right, well, this just was my quick video, breaking news video from Harbor Freight and the new toolboxes. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.